Hello guys, welcome again in your new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. As you saw here, my friend, my phone has been locked due to pattern lock and somebody has locked this smartphone and forgot the pattern lock. So in this video, I will give you the special trick and method. How can you unlock your smartphone without visiting any service center and without need any computer application? And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked within few steps. Okay, so watch this video till the end, only then your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before I reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before you start this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, this method updates every month. So if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off. So now you can say my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's network. So generally you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will also get a lots of keys here. You can see here. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode. You can see here it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. Now you can see after this my phone's network has been switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed before going to the master unlocking method. But generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every smartphone's brand, and these type of secret code update within 2 or 3 days. So what I'm going to give you, this secret code is only valid for 2 or 3 days, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this secret code, then it's okay. Otherwise you may also take help of my upcoming videos for the next special secret code to close the background running application, because to unlock your smartphone is most important to close all the background running application. So my friend, how will you feed this secret code in your smartphone to close the background running application? Generally, simply you will have to slide your phone upside. You can see here you will get an option of a emergency SOS, or it's also known as emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now after this, simply you will have to dial here this secret code to close the background running application, and recent special secret code is *000 then *9638 then *009 then #. This is the special secret code to close the all background running application. Okay, now after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. After this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, you will have to feed a USSD code which will switch you to on the page of engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. And this secret code is, you can see here, *899. Then finally you will have to click on #. After entering the # button, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and this page's name is after sales page. You can see here Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you don't have to go with any other option on this page because all the options have this specific function. Because in this video I'm only going to give you the method to unlock your smartphone. Now you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this software version. When you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is software version page. You will also get an option of a model number. Your phone's model number is showing here RMX3471. So you don't have to go with this option. You will have to simply go with the option of an Android version option, and you can see here Android version 13 is showing here. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 and 12. And if your phone's Android version is showing here 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version 13 times. Now I am going to do here, you can see with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this you will have to simply go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to a previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option above the software version you can see here. Now after this, simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a engineers mode page. You can see here this page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. You can see here the other option has been appeared on the slide, end of the slide. Okay, now you can also see here there are 5 type of options showing here on this page, but you don't have to go with any of the other option. You will have to go with the option of a mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here a database version, but both the options have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 11 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here the second option is showing here read write important log test. Now after this, simply you will have to click on this read write important log test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important log test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. You will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel here, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important log test option, you will have to go with the option of a confirm. Okay option. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the home button, you will have to go with the very last step, and the every step what I am going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. So be proper with the every step and follow the every step properly. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option is showing here. Okay, now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page. You can see here, but you can see here at the 6th number the option is showing here sensor self test and calibration option. Now after this, you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will go with the sensor self test and calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and you will get a 3 type of option on this page. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to start these operations. You can see here all the option is showing here operation not started. Simply you will have to start these operation, and you will have to continue click on these options until you get a single test passed message. So I am going to click on these options. You can see here test has been started, the first option, and test failed. The second option test has been started and test failed, and the third option test has been started, but the third option is showing here test passed message. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. You can see here, you can see my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone before my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in next videos.